Well, the issue of bringing the military to Imo State, you recall during the NSAS protests, a lot of properties were damaged in Imo State. Police stations were burnt down. Soldiers were killed. Their rifles removed from them. And immediately after the NSAS, we thought it was over. Then issues of kidnapping, where a Catholic bishop was kidnapped, people were killed, and these militants comes out and begin to shoot. We lost lives. Market women were killed. Old women were raped in Olu area of Imo State. And they visited this serious terror on the citizenry. And I came here, pleaded with Mr. President for his support, and he sent additional support by sending in police, and the military also came in. And that's where we are. It was on my invitation that the military came. And I did that because I know the situation was beyond the local arrangement. We needed help, and the help was given to us. And as I speak to you, the situation has come down to calm or normal. People are now going about their businesses, and those caught will soon be charged to court. And all those military rifles from the army, from the police, AK-47 and so on, were recovered by the people that came. We are a government. We have a responsibility to protect lives and properties. And while we have the Nigerian army, Nigerian police, if there are security challenges, we invite them to go to work. The federal government may be negotiating with the Boko Haram, but God knows, if I have the opportunity to see any man who is taking lives, I will confront the person head on. That is why we are government.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.